I got 1, 2, 3 hoes. Make a meal in a day, tomorrow I make more. I got 4, 5, 6, yeah. Counting so much money, you can call me cashier. Yeah. I got 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another Tempest Forex video. I'm Ollie.
And I'm Jamie.
So in this video, it's pretty much like a day in the life. We're going to go over our trades, what we do, stuff like that. You'll see us go, we're going to go get breakfast, and then we'll get food and that. Just a pretty average day for us, what we do. But yeah, pretty much, let's get straight into it. You'll see our trades, we'll go over it all. So let's get into it. So me and Jamie have just came for breakfast, just at our favourite place, Samuel's. So after this we're going gym, and then we'll get on with our trading day.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the fall, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle there, walls are coming down. Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down.
So guys, obviously me and Jamie are back from the gym now. I just had a really nice trade, which I will, you'll see now. I'll play it. I didn't have time to record over the setup, but I'll show it playing out, and I'll do a breakdown of it, of why I entered. But yeah, really nice trade, just under 10% on that trade, so just under 1 to 10, so really nice trade. But yeah, I'll put that up now. I recorded it hitting take profit luckily, so yeah, enjoy.
Get the stacks, yeah, that's straight facts, yeah. See you stressing, bluff this sweet and relax, yeah. What the fuck these pussy thinking? Just because I'm famous, they thinking that I don't keep a fuck, it's stainless. I'm swinging that chopper, I leave that boy brain. I'm dancing, my bitch, she bad and she be saying I'm saying my Glock is cock point at your brain. And you saying that niggas really on the game, but these niggas be pussy and they be false claim. I'm a beast in the streets, pussy boy, you can't slay. Why the fuck these pussy niggas on, nigga? Fuck that slide, she back to the ball, nigga. I had to get cash, get this shit on my own, nigga. I ain't grown, but a nigga act grown, nigga.
So guys, as you saw on the trade that you've just seen, so obviously it's on gold. So let's break it down for you. Let's go over it. So obviously first thing you want to do when you're trading, you want to get your daily bias. And as you can see on gold right now, we're very bullish. So you can see that was our first target. Then we're looking for up here, which is now taken. And now we're looking for that daily high there. So let's go down to the hour. Right. So, see my previous trades there. So, right. So what you can see here, I've got this line on. This is a very nice area. So I was looking at these 2 wicks, but if you look across as well, we have that area there. So there's a lot of liquidity above that area. So when I saw it was down here, I started seeing this candle come up, and I got in when I got confirmation, because I knew it was just aggressively pushing towards these highs and then would go for this one up here. So let's go down to the 5 minute to go more in depth of why I got my entry. So you can see my entry was at, what was it? It was at 1796.92. So my entry was just there. So I entered there because we have this imbalance in here, and we also have this one over here. So what this means, this is called a balance zone because they're next to each other with nothing in between. So we also have this imbalance in here. It did push past this one a little bit. It came down in here. Nothing, no big deal. It just wanted to fill this bit and come into 50% of this one. So it wanted to come into balance zone a bit more. And you also might be wondering why it didn't come down here. It didn't come down here because this was another balance zone. So that's why you might be wondering why not there. It's because it's been pushing so aggressively up, and it was just going to take the liquidity. It's not going to have such a deep retracement down there. It doesn't need to. That's that simple. So as you can see, once I got in, tiniest bit of drawdown ever, not really anything major at all. And from there we hit the target in the space of 30 minutes of being in the trade. And that's how you want to do it, guys, really. Just quick in and out trades is the best way to go. Tight stops and good reward on your trade is the best way to do it. You'll make a lot more percentage if you do trades like that, catching moves like this, targeting obvious highs, than you would buying down here and holding for a long time. Because you'll be able to catch many more trades on the way up than you would if you're holding one trade. Like for let's say a 1 to 7, it could be still a great trade, but on the way up on a move like that, if you're on an hour time frame, look at an hour high, a swing trade, you're most likely going to have a 30 pip stop or above to have a big swing trade like that. And so on the way up, you can catch many more trades, probably in 5, 6 in the space of a big move like that when you're scalping or day trading. And minimum is going to be a 1 to 2, obviously. So work that out in your head for yourself. It's already over 12% you'd do if that's just risking 1%. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the little breakdown. We do go more in depth in our group. We do trade breakdowns in there. And if you want to learn more about imbalances and what we look at exactly, we offer mentorship, as I'm sure most of you know, on the website, which is now open all the time. So feel free to go join. A lot of value in it. A lot of things we teach that isn't really out there. Because we just want to help you guys as much as we can. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next bit. So we're about to go over the next trade we got in. It was on the NASDAQ. So yeah, enjoy that. This will be the second trade of the day. And then if you are wondering, guys, what broker we do use now, it is Mugen Markets. They've just came into like the retail space. They've been working with like heavy investors, like only like big people, but now they're coming in and taking over the retail space of all the industries. So getting all the traders on board now. So that'll be in the description, along with all the other stuff to go our website, all that stuff. But yeah, if you're interested, guys, go check it out in the description.
Looking at is we created this low down here, and then you can see we've come off of this low. We're kind of like creating like a what retail would look at as a bear flag. Because we had this big drop down in here, bear flag. So they're probably looking at it as it's going to come down, because obviously we had that large drop and now we're creeping up slowly. So they're going to look at that as momentum is towards the downside, whereas we're kind of looking at it as it's not a bear flag, it's a retail trap, and it should go higher from here. So that's what we're looking at. Alright, guys, so we created this low down here on the 15 minute, and we have a balance zone just there. We entered it on these wicks down here, and obviously our take profit is at the open of the up candle So this is where our TP is. Alright guys, so we're currently in the trade right now. We're in the buy. Obviously we just done the breakdown. You saw the breakdown of why we took this trade inside the balance zone. So yeah, we're currently screen recording it. So let's just see how this plays out.
I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me westin'. You started something, but learn still you was testing. My clip got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression. I call my Mac 11, welcome until the grease. I pull up to my elementary, that's all my teachers who said I should never be a dreamer. Well now I'm doing something and you not. Past to be a believer. They say more money, more checks create the problem. You wouldn't have a problem if you off the ones that start them. How you talking down to me, but you was at the bottom. I was watching your career fall autumn. Don't talk a lot, cause I'm a man on a mission. If I'm the best, they can be competition. Clean the benzo, watch how it glisten. No we the ghosts, if you would just listen. My circle smaller like the one in your chest. You come for one of us, then 9 more come straight at your neck. We could argue and pick up, but in war we gon' connect. I be shooting at your temple like we was some Aztecs. Big chain, go rope, no I'm down.
Alright guys, so that is the end of the video now. Obviously we only got 2 trades today, but obviously that's fine. We had 2 really good trades, which I think is really good. If you can try and get at least 1 or 2 really good trades a day.
If you do that a month, that's good.
Yeah, that's, you know, we might get some comments saying like, oh, you only got 2 trades, but you know, to get 2 really good high setup trades, you know, that is really, really good.
That's a massive percentage. Like,
yeah, exactly.
not many people do that monthly.
No. So obviously this is just us being transparent, the trades that we caught. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something from this video as well, because I done a breakdown on his trade. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.